Hello viewers, hope everyone had a great year. Let's wrap up 2018 with my personal best pick of car dash camera. Now this is a best pick from a list of dash cams that I actually reviewed in 2018. Often you will find other YouTube videos that will make recommendation for products to buy, but many of them are not based on actual installation and testing. The dash cams that I will be recommending in this video were reviewed and tested in my vehicle, so I can give you my honest opinion. One thing I want to mention is there are some higher priced dash cams that perform very well, but they are priced in the $300 to $500 range. And many of you are looking to purchase a good performing dash cam at an affordable price. This past year I reviewed a total of 18 dash cams, and in this video I will list the ones that perform well and also affordable, so I'm certain you'll find one that'll fit your budget. Now dash cams are great devices to have in your vehicle. If you ever get into an accident and you need proof that it's not your fault, these devices will provide the recorded video footage of what happened. Now when it comes to choosing a good dash cam, there are a couple of things to consider. First, it must have very good day and night video recording. If the recording is not good, there's no point in getting it. It must record a clear video where you can read license plates clearly. Secondly, it must not have any issues with the operation and functionality during the time that I was reviewing it. Okay, let's start with the first one. If you're looking for a one-channel dashcam, meaning that it only has one camera to film the front of the vehicle and is affordable with good video recording, I recommend the ARPANCAN Mini Q9. This dashcam is packed with all the features you want, including GPS, and it comes with 3 different power cables, so you can power it 3 different ways. You can use a regular cigarette lighter plug or power through the OBD port, and it also comes with a hardwire kit, so you can use it with the parking mode. This dashcam also uses a supercapacitor, so you don't have to worry about the internal battery failing after a couple of years. Another nice thing about this dashcam is you can rotate the camera 330 degrees. So if you see something happening on the side of the road, you can quickly swivel the camera to the left or right. The video recording is very good for both daytime and nighttime. It has good exposure and contrast. You're able to read license plate and street signs. This dashcam retails for less than $100. You can get this on Amazon for $89.99. Now, if you're looking for a good quality dash cam that costs less than the first one I just mentioned, then I recommend the Alfawise MB05 car dash camera. This is also a one-channel dash cam that records the front of the vehicle. It records in Full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. This dash cam is built to have very good quality video recording, and it uses a Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensor with 6 pieces glass lens and an IR filter. The lens have a large aperture of f1.4, so it has excellent video recording for both daytime and nighttime. It has a large 2.4-inch color LCD display with easy to navigate buttons. Now this dashcam is sold exclusively by GearBest.com. You can get this on GearBest.com for $56. Now for those of you who are looking for a good quality 2-channel dashcam, meaning it has a front camera and a rear camera and records both simultaneously, then I recommend the ZEdge T4. This dashcam has excellent video recording at an affordable price. The T4 records in Full HD 1080p for the front camera and the rear camera, and features super clear night vision recording with wide dynamic range technology, so it can compensate for light and dark areas in the video and balances the exposure. The overall design is very good with a large 4-inch LCD touchscreen, so it's very easy to navigate the menu daytime or nighttime. Installation is very simple, with one wire for power and another wire for connecting the rear camera. Another nice thing about this dashcam is it comes with a 32GB memory card, so it's ready for installation right out of the box. Both daytime and nighttime recording is very good for both the front camera and rear camera. You can get this 2-channel dashcam for $169.99. This last one that I'll be recommending is a new category that came on the market this year. Unlike your standalone car dash camera that you mount to your windshield, they've actually made a full screen LCD display that functions as a dash cam and a rear view mirror. The winner in this category is the Autovox X1. I spent a lot of time testing this unit, and I was so impressed with the features and quality of the recording that I continued using this unit in my 2008 Honda Odyssey until it was hit from behind. This Autovox X1 features a full screen touchscreen LCD display that you can use as a regular rear view mirror, and when you put the car in reverse, it functions as a backup camera. The resolution of the image on the LCD is excellent. This unit also comes with a GPS to track speed, direction and route. It also has built-in lane departure warning system. The front camera records in 1296 Full HD, and the rear camera records in 720p. It features super night vision, so it's able to record very clear video both daytime and nighttime. One benefit of having a LCD rear view mirror is if the back of your car is filled with stuff and is blocking your view, you can use this mirror to see out the back with a rear camera. This is great for people with SUVs or trucks. This unit retails for $249.99. Well, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you're interested in getting any of these dashcam, I will include the link in the description below. I will also include the link for the full video review for the dashcams so you can learn more about it. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. This year was definitely a busy year for me, and the last time I checked, I'm only a couple hundred subscribers away from reaching 100,000 subscribers. This is definitely an exciting milestone for me. I wish you all a wonderful new year, and thank you for watching.